Good morning, my dear students. Myself Navneet Kaur. I am going to teach you English language in your 6th class, and today let's start with the new topic, letter writing. So, what is a letter? Letter is a message that can be sent to a relative, friends, or an official. It is essentially a communication through pen, paper, and ink and reaches the addressee via postal system. Means a written message which we send to our relative, friends, and officials is called a letter. It reaches the addressee via postal system. Is it clear to you? Okay. So letters are of two types, informal and formal letters. Informal letters are those letters which you write to your family members or your friends or relatives. It is written in personal tone, friendly and personal tone. On the other hand, informal letter is a letter written to obtain or give information about business, school, employment, etc. Its language should be clear and to the point. No any friendly tone should be included here in case of formal. Come back to informal. Informal, we are free to write constructions like he, is, you are, etc. but not in case of formal. Again, come back to informal. Informal letters include all types of social letters and notes of invitations also. But formal letters include letters to official letters, business letters, job applications, letter to editor of newspaper. So these are two type of letters, formal and informal. Now get more knowledge about the letter writing, how you write the letter. Mainly letter consists of four main parts: beginning, salutation, body and ending. In beginning, it is letter includes writer's address and telephone number, if any, also the date of the writing letter. But in business letter it includes the reference number also. In business letters you write the reference number also, but not in personal letters. This is an example of address. You have to write, also mention date. Second one is salutation. Salutation includes formal words used to address the person to whom the letter is written. The words are written according to the relationship with that person. For example, if you write to a friend like dear Seema, dear Rahul. If you write to relative, dear mother, dear father. That relative may be elder than you, na? So you can write like that. To acquaintances, my dear Sethji, Miss dear Mr. Sharma, like that you have to write. To the strangers, you just write dear sir or only sir or dear madam. These type of things you included in salutation. And third part is body part. This is the main part. It contains the message that the writer wants to convey. It is the written at the extreme left just below the salutation. Like after salutation you start writing about your main topic you want to convey. Last one is ending. In this part the letter contains the final leave taking words of the writer and her signature, his or her signature. Words like that: yours sincerely, yours faithfully, yours truly, yours affectionately, yours obediently, yours loving son. Here the specimens are given on your book on page number 147. Go through all specimens of letter, informal as well as formal, on page number 48 also, and try to do the topics exercises given on page 149 and practice these three topics. So this is all in the letter writing. If you have any problem, please ask. Write according to the points which I had explained to you, like body, step wise just try to write. Thank you.